Good morning, boys. Today we are continuing the chapter The Junk Seller. Now, children, how much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? One day she is earning from one rickshaw 20 rupees. So, 9 rickshaws she will earn 9 multiplied by 18. 9 multiplied by 20 is 180 rupees she will earn from 9 rickshaws in a day, because one rickshaw she is getting 20 rupees. So 9 rickshaws we will multiply. 9 multiplied by 20, 180 rupees she is earning in a day. For one rickshaw she gets rupees 20 per day. So for 9 rickshaws she will earn rupees 180 rupees. How did you do it? Now these two ends are there. One end is solving like this. Hey, I will do it like this. 9 times 2 is 18. Then 9 times 20 is 180. Now second ant is doing like this, but I find this easier. For 10 rickshaws she will get 20 multiplied by 10 is equal to 200 rupees. For 10 rickshaws she will get 200 rupees. For 9 rickshaws she will get 200 minus 20. 20 rickshaw 20 rupees she is earning for one rickshaw, so we will subtract one rickshaw's rent. Then 180 rupees we will get for 9 rickshaws. Now children, think of some other ways to do it. In a week, how much does Kiran earn from one rickshaw? Now children, for one rickshaw she is earning 20 rupees for one day. Then for 6 days, how much she will earn? In a week 7 days are there, but on Sunday she is not taking any rent. So we will count 6 days. 20 multiplied by 6 days, how much she will earn? Then she will earn 120 rupees for a week, because on Sunday she is not taking any rent. That is why we have taken 6 days. Otherwise we would have taken 7 days. So you have to remember this. On Sunday, Kiran is not taking any rent from the rickshawalas. Do it mentally and write the answers. Now children, these sums are very easy. Do it mentally. Now 6 twos are 12. 6 twenties are 120. Because first you will do 6 twos are 12. Then put 1 0. So it is 120. Now 2 sixties are. Now first what you will do? 2 6 are 12. Then put 1 0. So it will come 2 sixties are 120. Now 3 multiply by 42. So in this what you will do? 3 multiply by 40. It is coming 120. Then what you will do? 2 is left. So 3 twos are 6. Then the 6 you will add into 120. So it will come 126. Directly also you can do, but it is easy if you will do mentally like this. Rest sums you will do on your own. Now Kiran is saying her story. So this is what she says. I have my own small junk shop. So she has a junk shop. I buy junk from junk collectors. Junk collectors you have seen in your street. They go from house to house and bring junk from on hand carts. I then sell it at the big shop. Now, what Kiran is doing, she takes junk from the junk collector and give money to the junk collector, and then she sell this junk to a big shop. And those person, what they do, they sell in the factories and they recycle it. That junk they recycle. So how much to pay for this junk? She will pay to the junk collectors. So Kiran has bought some junk from junk collectors. Look at the next page, the rate list, to see today's rates. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. So here this ant is saying 1 kg newspaper costs rupees 5. 30 kg cost rupees 5 multiplied by 30, so 150. So for 31 kgs she will pays, what you will do, 155. 155 directly you can multiply 31 multiply by 5, or you can do like this, 30 multiply by 5, then 5 multiply by 1, that is coming 5. So 150 plus 5 is coming 155. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? She will pay 155 rupees for 131 kg newspaper. Now, how much Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? Now 1 kg cost is 5 rupees. So 5 multiplied by 40 is coming 200. Now 5 multiplied by 2 is coming 10. Then 200 plus 10 is 210. So 42 kg newspaper she will pay 210 rupees. Children, you will do yourself all these multiplication. Now also find the cost of 22 kg of plastic. Now plastic 1 kg cost is 10 rupees. See, 1 kg cost is 10 rupees. Then 22 kg of plastic cost is 220 rupees. 22 multiplied by 10, then it is coming 220. Now 23 kg of waste paper. Now 1 kg waste paper cost is 4 rupees. So 20 kg waste paper cost is 80 rupees. 80, then 3 is left. 4 multiplied by 3 is coming 12. Then 80 plus 12 is 92. So 92 rupees she will pay for waste paper. Directly also you can do, and this type also you can do. Now 12 kg of iron. Now 1 kg iron cost. 1 kg iron cost is 12 rupees. So 12 multiplied by 12 is coming 144, or you can do like this, 12 multiplied by 10 is coming 120. Then 2 is left. 12 multiplied by 2 is coming 24. So 120 plus 24 is coming 144. So she will pay rupees 144 for rupees 12 kg of iron. Can you do this without writing? Guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? What you will do? all this money, 22 kg newspaper, 22 kg of plastic, 23 kg of waste paper, and 12 kg of iron. Its cost you will calculate, and then you will find out it is more than 600 or less than 600. It is more than 600.